Hey guys, welcome back to another video with Tony's Phone Collection. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of a phone I bought on eBay. It was relatively cheap. I already have the first gen, but I need the second one. This was posted on eBay for a little bit. I decided to go and buy it up. Let's see, I'm going to go and hide this. And it's a demo unit, but it's a fully functional demo unit. Make sure nothing's going to show up. Hide that number. So there is the total, $16.69. As we're shipping and everything, it's the T-Mobile Shadow 2. I have the Shadow 1. I have two Shadow 1s. They both work and everything, but I figured I'd have the Shadow 2. And this one has the box with it. And I say it's a demo phone, so I'm going to assume it was like a store unit or something, maybe. I'm not too sure. But there's that. Say 2009. We're going to take a quick look, because like I said, I'll do an actual unboxing of this phone later on. So here's the device. Slider full QWERTY keyboard, or I guess a Shure type keyboard they called it. But yeah. Figured I'm going to give you guys a little unboxing. And I will go ahead and do a proper unboxing once I was able to test everything. I still got some updates coming up on the other phones that I've got. I got another set of phones from our friend. I'm going to reset them before I show them because they got personal stuff on them. And then, yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. And stay tuned for the next one.